Hi, first grade. Happy Monday. Today we will compare numbers up to 120. How will we do this? We will compare 76 and 67 and 103 and 109 using pictorial models, comparative language, expanded form, and symbols. Why is this important? It is important to determine if the value of a number is greater than or less than the value of another number. So we have some new vocabulary words to learn today. First of all, our first word is greater than. Have we heard this word before? Thumbs up if you've heard greater than before. I think we have. So greater than means larger. Larger has a symbol that looks like this arrow. It means the number is bigger. Okay, so if we look at 44, we have 4 tens and 4 ones. 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. 4 tens is worth 40. 2 tens is only worth 20. So which one was greater? 44 is greater than 25. Now we have less than. Less than means smaller. The number is going to be smaller. Less than has a symbol that looks like this arrow. It kind of reminds me of a crooked L. It's kind of leaning over on its side. So this sign for less than kind of looks like an L, which also begins less than, right? So less than L. Maybe that will help you. Now, less than means smaller. So 25 is less than 44 because 25 only has 2 tens, which is the same as 20. And 44 has 4 tens, which is the same as 40. And 20 is less than 40. Very good. Another way to help you remember the greater than and equal signs is to look at a number line. The numbers that are going this direction are going to be less than 24. Less than would be on this side of the number line. Numbers that are going in this direction on the number line are going to be greater than 24. These numbers are getting larger. So less than, greater than. Say that with me. Less than, greater than. Very good. Another vocabulary word I want you to know is equal to. Equal to means the same as. The same as. This is the symbol for equal to. 25 is equal to 25. That means it has the same number of tens and the same number of ones. So they are exactly the same. 25 is equal to 25. Let's review what our place value or base 10 blocks are called. We have 100. That is called a flat. It is worth 100. We have our tens. That is a long, and it is worth 10. We have our ones. That is called a unit, and it is worth 1. Very good. Remember that 42 is greater than 26 because it has more what? Tens. There are 4 tens in 42 and only 2 tens in 26. So 4 tens is the same as 40, and 2 tens is the same as 20, and 40 is greater than 20. Okay? We can also say, we could flip those two numbers and say that 26 is less than 42 because 26 has 2 tens and 42 has 4 tens. 2 tens is the same as 20. 4 tens is the same as 40. And we know that 20 is less than 40. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to work out some problems finding which number is greater and which number is less. I have a problem. I need your help, guys. Okay, let's see if you can help me figure out which number is greater. Angie has 99 marbles and Shannon has 91 marbles. Who has more marbles? Angie or Shannon? I don't know. I see 2 9s and I see a 1, but I don't know which one is greater. So we are going to model the numbers with our base 10 blocks to find which number is greater. So let's make Angie's marbles 99. Does she have any hundreds? Nope, not yet. Almost, but no hundreds yet. Just tens. So she has 9 tens. I'm going to put 9 tens for Angie. And how many ones does Angie have? 9 ones. So now I'm going to put down 9 ones. Okay, so now we have 9 tens and 9 ones. This is 99. Okay, now how many tens does Shannon have? She has 9 too. See why this is so hard for me? She has 9 tens also. So 9 tens for Shannon. But how many ones does Shannon have? 1. She only has 1 unit. Right there. Now, who can tell me what is the same about these two numbers? What do you notice that's the same about these two numbers? That's right. They both have 9 tens. It looks like there's more, but they both have 9 tens. Okay. What do you notice that is different? Different means that they have more ones than this one. This one has 9 ones and this one has 1 1. And same would be the tens. They both have 9 tens. That's how they are the same. But this one has more ones. Since the 9s are the same, we look at the ones. Which one has more? This one or this one? The top one. Angie has more. That's right, because 9, we know that 9 is more than 1. So we're going to write a sentence using the words greater than and the symbol. 99 is greater than 91. Now, what can we say about 91? 91 is less than 99. 91 is less than 99. So if we flip the numbers, then we have to switch greater than and less than. Okay, so now, since you were so helpful with that problem, let's see if you can help me with another problem. This time, Kaylin has 100 dogs. Man, that's a lot of dogs. And Sandra has 105 dogs. That's a lot of dogs. Who has less dogs? That's what I need to find out. 100 for Kaylin and 105 for Sandra. Wonder which one has less. How can we find out? Well, we can use our base 10 blocks. So this one has how many hundreds? 1. 100. How many tens are there? 0. How many ones are there? Also 0. So there's no 10s and no 1s in Kaylin's 100. What about for Sandra's? How many hundreds does she have? 1. She has 100. How many 10s does she have? 0. How many ones does she have? 5. She has 5 1s. So I'm going to put 5 1s in the ones place. Okay, so what do you notice that is the same about both of these numbers? What is the same? Yes, they both have 100. So if they both have 100, we have to look at the tens place to find out which one is less. Do either one of them have any tens? No, that is also the same. So now tell me what is different about these two numbers. The ones are different. That's right. Kaylin doesn't have any ones and Sandra has 5. So which one has less? Remember what less means? Smaller. So which one is smaller? 5 or 0? So which one has less? 100. That's right. This one has less. The hundreds are the same. But because this one has 5 more ones, it's going to be more. So the one that has less is Kaylin. Okay, so both of the numbers have 100, 0 tens, and different ones. Now let's write a comparative sentence to show which number has less. So I wrote 100 is less than, there's my L, my crooked L for less than, 105. And then what can I say about 105? I can say 105 is greater than 100. So when you are writing the numbers, make sure that you are writing the correct words that go with it. If it's asking what's less, make sure you're writing that instead of greater than. Now let's show how 100 is less using expanded form. Remember our expanded form? We have blank plus blank plus blank. This is your hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so how many hundreds does Kaylin have? 1. And that's worth how much? 100. 100 is worth 100. How many tens? 0. How many ones? Also 0. Okay, what about Sandra's? How many hundreds does she have? She also has 100. 100 is worth how much? 100. Plus, how many tens? 0. Plus, how many ones does Sandra have? That's right, she had 5 ones. So hundreds, tens, and ones. Which one has less? They both have 100. This is the same and this is the same. Same, same. Oh, we have a 0 and a 5. Which number is less? This one. 100 is less than 105. Now, I want you to click on the second video so I can explain your assignment to you.